guys, so it is 10:20. It is Thursday. I can never remember what day it is, honestly though. Right now though, I am going to do my makeup because I'm going to do some more pictures for my Instagram. Not really a photo shoot, more like selfie type pictures, but I'm really excited about it and I just want to do some simple natural makeup. So I'm going to do that. Today's just kind of like my fun day. I have not had a fun day in like 2.5 weeks. I literally do school all day, every day. By the way, welcome to another vlog. I always forget to say that. Welcome to another vlog.
Through it all, my eyes are on you. Through it all, it is well.
Hey guys, so it is Friday. I for some reason thought it was Thursday. It is Friday and it is 1:17 p.m. I've had lunch. I've gotten school done for the week, finally. So at 2 o'clock, I am going to be playing HQ. If any of you guys have played HQ or do play HQ, then like this video because HQ is awesome. Hey guys, so it's 6:10 p.m. Clearly I did not take you guys along grocery shopping. I'm so sorry. The best part is that I got ice cream, and it is probably one of the best ice creams I've ever had. It's Ben & Jerry's One Sweet World limited batch coffee caramel ice cream with fudge chunks and swirls of marshmallow and salted caramel. I don't even like salted caramel, but this ice cream, it's heaven, guys. Like, you need to go try it. Again, it's limited batch, so if you guys can find it or if you've already had it, like this video because it's amazing and we can just enjoy Ben & Jerry's together. Friday night means more ice cream, right? Anyway, I worked out since I last talked to you guys and now I'm editing this video for tomorrow. And it's only 2 minutes long and I feel awful about it, but I don't know what to do. I really don't. I don't have another video. Sorry, my closet's open. What the heck? My bed's a mess. Everything's a mess. So anyway, I don't know what happened to half of the footage. I feel awful for having to put this video out, but I don't really have much of a choice. Either I put out this video and it's probably not going to do very well because, I mean, who would want to watch a 2-minute video? It's whatever. And then second option would be to not put out a video at all and then put up a video on Tuesday or Wednesday. YouTuber problems. This is like my biggest nightmare, guys. Like when it comes to YouTube, this is my biggest nightmare, is not having enough footage for the video. So anyway, I'm going to work on this and eat my awesome ice cream and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so what you're watching right now is a vlog compilation and my everyday makeup routine put together. This week has been crazy busy. It's been a little bit rough and it's been very busy. So almost all day, every day, as you heard me say in this vlog, I do school. I really do. It's my main focus right now, and second comes YouTube, unfortunately. So Fridays are my only days to edit. I was editing the video that was supposed to go up today, which is when you're watching this. I'm actually editing this Friday night. But I was watching, I was editing that video, and it just wasn't enough footage. I lost some of the footage. I could have easily filmed more footage for it if it had been earlier in the week, but it's 10:50 p.m. right now and I just didn't have time, and this is just me being raw and honest with you guys, and I'm sorry. I really am. I was really upset when I found out that I couldn't upload the video that I wanted to. Things didn't go as planned and I kind of got a little upset about it because I really wanted to upload that video. And so instead of not uploading anything, I wanted to upload this because at least I'm proud of this video and it's just you guys getting to see a little bit into my life, being a YouTuber, being a pretty much full-time college student and just trying to juggle both of those. It's not always easy and I didn't really have a backup plan in this case, but thankfully I had this vlog to upload for you guys, so at least I didn't have to upload nothing and I can give you guys an explanation and talk to you guys a little bit because I haven't gotten to really sit down and chat with you guys for a while. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just going to show you guys my everyday makeup routine when I do wear makeup. I did this makeup for a photo shoot. I just do natural makeup. I don't wear a lot of makeup even when I do a photo shoot or film an intro for a video or anything. Sometimes I don't even wear any makeup because it's not who I am. And if it's not who I am, then I don't want to be someone I'm not. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this. I did upload a montage of this on my vlog channel, but it was really sped up, obviously, because that's a montage. And so I'm just going to go into a little bit more detail here. I'll have all the products listed down below or linked down below if you guys want to buy them. I really love all the products that I use, and I wouldn't recommend something to you guys that I didn't love. This video is not sponsored or anything like that. I just wanted to share this with you guys and put something out. Wednesday there will be a organization and hacks room decor or like room makeover video. Sorry, hashtag room makeover with Chloe will be starting back up again on Wednesday. So Wednesday there'll be a somewhat bonus video for you guys, and then on Saturday I'll be uploading my DIY room decor video, which is also in that hashtag room makeover with Chloe series. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please like it, show your girl some love because she really needs it. I just had a rough week and it's been very busy, and yeah, so I just really hope that you guys enjoyed this this vlog and just getting to see into my life and just being raw and honest with you guys. So I will see you guys either in another vlog if you're subscribed to my vlog channel. I'll see you on Instagram, sort of, kind of, or I'll see you on my main channel if you're subscribed. I think that's all. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.